are going to love the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, backup sensor, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bose sound system, navigation system, driver's side airbag, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.